In a world.
In a world.
In a world where it feels like chaos reigns. Someone always has to go to the bathroom at the worst possible time. Your pencils mysteriously vanish.
They're old, they're red, they have 17 tabs open.
And no idea where the music is coming from.
They can explain long division and remember names.
And open any water bottle or tiffin box. They are the numbers of things.
Every roll number, every kid's allergies.
The capital of South Korea.
And somehow, even cursive.
Yeah, cursive.
They are the grown-ups who show up.
The grown-ups who show up. I'm talking principals, teachers,
Coaches, counselors, aunties, wardens.
the grown-ups who show up.
And they've heard it all.
My mom forgot to put my homework in my bag.
My stomach hurts.
You wanna know what I did last night?
Can I go to the toilet? They heard it all.
And they just nod and keep going.
They don't wear capes.
Some of them have big bags which always have tissues in it, which is much more impressive.
They are the final format of study. Unthinkable. The overcaffeinated.
People that believe in kids.
People who believe in kids enough to believe tomorrow.
They are the joy rebels.
The stubborn optimists.
The ones who cheer, the ones who fight.
The ones who believe in kids even when they don't believe in themselves. The grown-ups who show up.
You're changing things. You're changing lives. Thank you.
Kids